This shit crazy, man. I ain't even gonna lie. This shit crazy, man.
Alright guys, we're at the airport. It is bright and early. For those of you who haven't seen on my channel before, guys, I do have to drive almost 2 hours to the airport. Luckily, my dad lives here. I came up last night, stayed at my dad's. We're heading to the airport. It's an hour before my flight, guys. We upgraded to the big leagues this year, and I have TSA pre-check. So we're about to test this out. For those of you who don't know, if you don't have pre-check, you gotta wait in the long lines. You gotta take your shoes off. You gotta take your jacket off. You gotta take your laptops out of the bag. I do have my GMB on the back, so usually they check my clippers. Probably gonna happen. They're probably gonna make me open my clipper bag. They wanna make sure there's no razor blade in the razor handle. So we're gonna see how fast, guys. It's literally 7:01 right now. See how fast we get through TSA. Shoot, y'all, 3 minutes. I got time for Starbucks. I'm about to start getting here 20 minutes before the flight. That's the move. If you're somebody that travels, you gotta get that pre-check, guys. I waited like 2 years. I've been waiting in lines for 2 years, coming 2 hours early, driving 2 hours, coming 4 hours early. So if you guys travel, make sure you get that pre-check. We're gonna go to Starbucks, hop on the plane, and I'm gonna meet my guys in Fort Worth. See you guys there. All right, guys, we made it. It is like 65 and sunny. Nice to be in Texas. About 30 degrees warmer than it was in Kentucky. So I'm waiting on Dre to pick me up. I don't know who's with him yet. We'll find out in a second. Uncle Dre.
Whoa, no cameras.
Hey, you in there? Too late.
What's up, brother?
Bro, I need something to drink so bad. What up, fella?
We gotta get you a seat, bro.
What up, Fonz?
We gotta get you a seat, bro.
I didn't know it was the third row.
Or no, take all the little ones. Take all the little ones.
That's what we doing?
Take all the little ones.
That's what we doing.
Take the road all the way over here. Listen to that.
Dre,
I just wanna die.
You got something to tell me?
I don't know why.
That shit was funny as fuck. Every time we walked around, I just felt like I had
and everything. Bro, Russia. Fucking feel those.
That's what it's about. If you ain't going dumb from the beginning, you don't deserve it.
I can't even see half of that mother.
chicken is hot. Yeah. Last time we went, it wasn't hot.
I'm not good. Like,
You said that last time.
What you got, Fonz?
Yes.
got me a little sprayer now. That's my first
Did
one.
you have one? That's your first one?
Never use them. Never
Dude,
use them, but I'll
clients,
use this one.
I said it in my video. Do you need it? No. Is it cool?
I'm amazed by it.
Dude, clients trip.
We came out here, they gave us.
Yeah.
You know,
I got a black one. Fonz, y'all got a spot like this in Tampa?
No.
Bro,
Well,
you got some supplies.
Two, three spots, but this is definitely.
Not like this, bro. We got Sally's Beauty, bro.
Yeah,
That's it.
It's something to come up in Tampa. Y'all need this.
Okay, yeah. Sound good.
Okay.
PA system sound really good in here. You got a class tomorrow that's going down. You ain't gonna be in this class tomorrow, you're gonna be missing out on a lot of education. But that's neither here nor there. Get your tickets today is the last day to get your tickets. And yeah, come to the wonderful class tomorrow. Me, Sean, Fonz, gonna put together something really nice for you guys.
Yeah. Hey, they don't even remember. Remember me, you and Jeezy was on
I just told him that.
Time it is Samoa things, men things. You know, 3-4 years down the line, I'm still with it.
All right, so they changed the Samoa names
To what?
to Caramel Delights now.
They're trying to be culturally appropriate, bro.
She told me, she said it was a copyright thing or something like that.
They're trying to be culturally
Get us to
appropriate.
Kendrick. Because Sean didn't say he wanted them.
That's crazy.
But you can have some of ours, Sean, because I got all of us to them in. So.
All right, we just got to the Airbnb. This is an old style house. This place crazy though. Massage chair. This place kind of crazy.
These LED lights might work.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna kick it. A couple of guys gonna nap. Class is tomorrow. I don't know what else I'm gonna vlog, but we'll see. All right, guys, we're back at Fort Worth. You guys can see they're closed. It's later on. We're taking some headshots. So I got Photoshop on my iPad. I'm gonna start doing all of our flyers for different education and different events. The ones you guys see me post, I'm gonna start producing all those. So we're just taking some new headshots. I think Fonz is taking them right now. So let's go back here and check it out.
I earned my 20. That's perfect. I earned my 20%.
Good.
Out here fixing dreads. Come on, Sean.
That's it. That's it.
Come on, Sean.
You're photogenic, man. It's too easy.
That's it.
All right.
You don't even got a cut in his teeth.
My man doing the Birdman with his hands, man.
Head down some. You trying to stand too tall. Like,
Trying to be
yeah.
6 foot, bro.
Open the eyes just a little bit. Maybe try it again. There you go.
I'm probably saying like 17 times.
Relax. All right, you ready? Here we go, Sean. Good. Just like that. Good. Hold it. Good. Take a look at him first before we change the light.
All right, we up early. Beam gotta get that line in. We caught Dre cutting hair.
No, you didn't catch me doing anything.
I gotta take
Caught.
I gotta take every.
Caught. We about to get some breakfast and go to this class. All right, y'all, with the class. My man Nate, y'all see me with the I Grind Different. What's your website?
IGrindDifferent.com.
Well, that's easy enough. My man Nate showed up all the way from Tampa. You guys see the setup behind me. People already waiting outside. About to get the station set up, get everything set up. I got a headache right now, so I just took some medicine. Hoping that will go away before the class. We got like 50 minutes, so we're gonna get to this class. I'm gonna try to get the other guys to get some footage of me while I'm up there so you guys can see what we do and how this kind of works. And then I'll get some footage of the other guys. I'm super stoked for this class. Hope you guys enjoy this video and this type of content. Definitely let me know if you guys like this stuff. I got some more classes coming up, so I will try to film more and bring the camera with me and do all this stuff. So let's get to it. About took my fingers off.
That's what she said.
Oh,
That was Dre. We just caught that on camera. Yeah, look, he looks scared. Look at Dre's face. Look at Dre.
for no reason, bro. Come on.
There we go. Yes.
Nice.
Tomb45. Appreciate it, guys.
All right, y'all, that's it. The class is over. Nate, man, how you think it went?
Bro, honestly, your best class yet. So much value, man. I can't wait till your next one, bro. You're only getting better.
Y'all know what time it is,
Hey,
man.
tell them what to do.
We came in this class. Sean failed it for us. I don't know what else to do. YouTube is not working out for none of us no more because of this man right here. But no. Banging class. Sean set it off. Fonz kind of held the tempo. And I closed the deal.
Finisher.
And y'all know what time it is. Us three together. You get education. You get execution. You get a little bit of precision. You get a little bit of flash. You get all of the other things. But now, this is, what was we gonna call our tour anyway? Best of both worlds, right? So yeah, you get a little bit of everything. You get some straight hair stuff.
This is a three-piece, though.
You get some super coil hair stuff. Nah, this was really good, though. Next time we have a class, you guys need to come out. The students was amazing. Today was crazy, man. Y'all know what time it is. It's the Beam team. Seancutshair here. Fonz is somewhere around here.
Fonz over here. We're gonna go grab him
checking
for a
out,
second,
though.
but-
I would say that this was by far, me watching you, the best class I've ever seen you do.
I appreciate that.
And the Q&A segment, I wish you guys were able to see.
We didn't really show any of that.
record this. That was honestly the most fun I had, just sharing my thoughts along with his thoughts and Beam's thoughts, and even Dre. Dre killed it too. And guys, I mean, if you ever want to step your game up, go watch his class.
Not just me, all of us. That's the best thing you guys are gonna get. When we teach together, we're really all very different and do different things. So that's what we really sell as what we're gonna bring to the class.
We
And
push
I
ourselves.
think we did that.
It's iron sharpening iron, right?
That's
So,
right.
Man, I appreciate. I'm honored that we got to share that stage, bro. We got to do it again. We got
Much more in the future.
Absolutely.
All right, y'all. You know what to do if you like the video.
Subscribe,
Like,
and make sure you always come back to the next one.
come back for the next one. See you guys next time.